kanila pong mga puso, nang sa ganon, God, they will lead their family at one day, yung legacy na may iwan nila, Panginoon, ay patuloy na dadaloy, God, sa kanila pong mga anak, mga apo, at magiging kaapo-apuhan, Lord. Magiging blessings in the mighty name of Jesus. Kaya naniniwala po ako, Panginoon, they are called, they are chosen by you, at patuloy mo silang gagamitin mightily, hindi lamang po sa kanilang pamilya, even sa marami pa pong pamilya, Panginoon. They will be a great testimony kung paano sila, God, unang-una, tinawag at pinili mo, at paano sila nagtagumpay. At ganoon din, dadaloy, God, yung katagumpayan, kung sino, Panginoon, yung kanila pong makakasalamuha. Kaya maraming salamat, Lord. They are not perfect, but they are the best dad, best father in this world. Kaya maraming salamat, Lord. Giving glory back to you. In Jesus Christ,